Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have another luxury unboxing for you guys, coming to you live from my hotel room in Las Vegas. And as I've said in previous videos in this series, I did a little bit of a Las Vegas vlog, so definitely check that out if you haven't seen it already. I just kind of took you guys along with me and my husband as we went on our little anniversary Las Vegas vacations. I hope you enjoy that. And during that trip, of course, or during this trip, I should say, because I'm still here, I purchased a few beautiful luxury items that I wanted to take a little bit more time kind of talking to you guys about. And so I decided to split up this into several series of unboxings for the luxury items. So I hope you enjoyed this way. And in this way as well, the video is not going to be super long too. So for today's unboxing, I have a beautiful item from Chanel. So if you want to check out this item, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So if that sounds interesting, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button below. It'll really help me out. So for today, again, I have a really quick Chanel unboxing. This isn't going to be too long, but I wanted to tell you about why I picked this item and my experience there. So I did a lot of shopping on this trip so far, and I have a little bit more shopping to do. But one of the items I knew I wanted to try to look at was at Chanel, because the Chanel boutiques, at least in our area in Northern California, aren't very plentiful, I'll say. Unlike places like Cartier or Louis Vuitton, which I also frequent and love, they are more locations, including at a mall near my home. But Chanel is harder to come by, I'll say, in terms of their boutiques. So their standalone boutiques, I'll say, really are only in LA, I believe, and then in San Francisco. So I actually, even though I live pretty close to San Francisco, I don't get up there that much these days. So it's hard for me to go to the boutique and kind of check things out. I don't think it's as easy to order things online as it is for other sites like Louis Vuitton. So I'm always excited when I see a Chanel boutique because I actually get to go in there and check the items out. So the boutique I went to here was in Bellagio, and I've been there before. It's just a beautiful boutique, and actually now they changed their shopping experience because of the pandemic, so they do limit the amount of people in there, so there often is a line outside the boutique like a lot of stores these days. They do require masks in the store, but not in the shopping areas or casinos, just so you know. But in the store, they do want you to wear a mask, which is great. And then you have a personal shopper go with you too, which wasn't always the case, at least in my experience before. So they don't let you just go in there and browse on your own, just to minimize, I think, the crowd and to get people moving faster, in my opinion. So they assign you to the sales associate that takes you through the store and kind of shows you what you're interested in. So I kind of didn't look around too much, to be honest. One, because my husband's with me and he wouldn't tolerate that. And then secondly, it's a little uncomfortable if the sales associate's just like walking around with you. So I didn't want to take up too much of her time either. And I knew kind of the item that I wanted to look for. So I didn't really browse too much, although I kind of regret that now. I thought it was beautiful. So when I went in there, I knew I wanted to get some type of small leather good. I don't have a lot of Chanel pieces. I have a handful of handbags, but I don't have, I don't believe I have any small leather goods from Chanel yet. So I wanted to try one of their pieces out, and I kind of mix and match with some of my bags. So here's the item I picked up, and here is the beautiful camellia flower. And it's so nice to get something from the boutique because, as you know, they wrap it so beautifully. You just don't get this when you buy it pre-loved on sites and things. So it's very special to kind of treat yourself now and again. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here. And inside there is the receipt here, and I won't show you this, of course, but it's the receipt for the item I picked up. It's a nice little card. And then here is the item. So, like classic Chanel wrapping. I mean, this is such a special treat, but look, it has beautifully wrapped. It has the beautiful camellia flower, which is so soft. Just a really, really beautiful presentation. So I'm gonna head and open this up and show you guys what I picked out. I haven't checked it out since I saw it at the boutique, so I wanna make sure also it looks nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. You can probably guess what it is, but Okay, so there's some other care cards here. There's care booklets, and then it has a tag on here. So here is the dust bag. All these tags are just sticking out here. But to reveal my beautiful new small leather good, my card case, you can see here, the classic card case look, or flap case. And this is called the classic flap card holder with gold hardware, also called the O card holder. And it's in black and it's in caviar leather, as you can see here. And I have the sticker on here to protect the hardware, which I'm not going to move right now because I have to travel back with this, so I don't want it to get scratched. But it's the gold hardware flap card case. So I love this card case. I knew I wanted to look at it in person, and I just hadn't gone to a boutique in a while yet, so I wanted to check it out. And I love that it's just a classic Chanel look. It matches the flap bags perfectly, and it's just a beautiful caviar leather. I love gold hardware in general, although I mix my metals for jewelry. I tend to gravitate more toward gold metals, so I wanted the gold. It has a little slip pocket in the back, and then it's one that has the snap button closure, so you just snap it open. I was a little worried about the snap and it might pull a little too much with time, so let me know. I know you guys have this card case. Let me know what you think about it and how it wears. But it has the Chanel embossing there. And as you can see, it has, well, I'll pull out the authenticity card here, which is always good to keep in case you want to resell this item. And it has just a bunch of, let me take these tags out. That's not so cute. And it says made in Italy, as you can see here. And it has just one big pocket in the back. And it has one extra slip pocket in the front. So that's it. It just has two pockets really, one smaller slip and then one larger in the back. So I think I'm going to keep my most used credit card in the front here just for easy access. And then the other pocket I just thought was great because you could put a several amount of cards in there and items. I did look at just the regular conventional card holder, and that card holder just wouldn't hold as many cards in my opinion, just because this one has this large gusseted type of pocket that can hold a lot of things, including cash. So that's how I'm intending to use it, just as kind of a little mini wallet that I can just grab and go, throw anywhere. I can take this to work even and put it in my coat pocket. I think that would be just fine too. So I am excited. I got my first Chanel small leather good, and I hope this works out for me. It's a pretty simple, basic item, but I wanted to share with you guys because I was super excited about it, and I had a great experience shopping there too. So I hope to go back there sometime soon, but for now I'm going to really enjoy this little beauty. So if you have this particular item, and I know a lot of you probably do out there, let me know what you think about it, how it wears, whether you like it or not. I will do the same. In the future, I will do an updated review, wear and tear, in case you're curious on this little beautiful item. So thank you so much for sitting through this video with me. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I'll see you again in my next video. Take care. Bye.